Okay, Mr. Bunny, are you ready to meet your fate? It's the Maya monster! No, no, no! Eat him! You trying to get his little eyeball? Those are good, aren't they? Now what are you going to take a bite of? His ear. Does the ear taste good too? Is it good? To be continued.